How convenient. There's a 7-Eleven in front of the hotel. So we're APA TKP Sapporo Ekimae. Go in. And you take the lift to level 6 for the hotel. Right. There's also toilets here for you to use if you want to. Good. The reception for this hotel is located on level 6, so you come in, go to level 6. Good information, taxi, newspaper, coffee machine. There's even a microwave for you to use. There's vending machines on level 7. So as you come out of the laundry, level 7, there's a laundromat right here. And there's also an ice machine. I wonder if it dispenses. Oh yeah, it auto dispenses the dishwashing liquid. That's good. So 200 yen to use, and 100 yen to dry for 30 minutes. It's not bad. That's very good value. And of course she's got an ice machine. Excellent. Good service. Welcome to room review of room 630 at APA TPK at the Ekimae Sapporo. I'll put on the screen to help you. So still use old style key. Put that in. Let's get my suitcase in. So this is a single room, non-smoking. So in Japan, people do smoke in their rooms. So I asked for a non-smoking room. Toilet, tiny. It's Japanese toilet. Bath gel bathtub. And they love to have a bath in Japan for some reason. So people always bath at night. And here's the rest of the room. Okay, so the room's tiny, as you can see, but it works. Relaxation menu. 60 minutes, 78,000 yen. That's 7,800 yen. That's not bad, that's not bad. Cups. And a fridge. Let's see what's out here. I don't think you can see much. But yeah, that's the room. Hairdryer, looks like a set of pajamas. Trash bin. Some phones for you to use. That's it. USB to charge thing. Works, it works. What did I pay for this? I have to have a look. I'll put the price on the screen. So I paid for 3 nights. It is one of the nights, Wednesday will be the start of the Snow Festival, so that's expensive. So I think I paid just under 600 Australian dollars for 3 nights. That's it. Oh, we'll test the Wi-Fi next. Now, Japanese hotels do use these LAN ports, so I'm going to test it out on my laptop later. Anyway, very important. Wi-Fi check. Jeez, it's pretty ornery, isn't it? I would think it'll be quicker than this, but anyway.